Welcome to Color Ashram. Let me give you a tour of this innovation lab of herbal dyes. So this whole space is like a gallery of the variety of applications that we've been doing with herbal dyes, which has happened over past 20 years. Let me begin from here. These are all handcrafted experiments with herbal dyes. There is batik, there is tie and dye, shibori, and then many kinds of textured printing. This section is about experiments in innerwear, and we have been able to do a lot of variety in this section as well. Right here is all different kinds of fabrics for different kinds of application. So these are towel qualities. These are different kinds of fabrics in denim and other yarn dyed pieces. These are the different fields of fabric. This is innerwear. These are napkins and some silk samples here. And this here is a variety of knits. There are many more. And now this wall, this is all the kind of different swatches that we have to offer to a brand for them to visualize and understand what is it they would like. This little tiny corner is about yarns, fibers, experiments and different colors that we've made. This is our section of women's wear, or all examples of herbal dyed garments, saris, tops, all kinds of women wear. In here we have yarn dyed stoles in different shades. This banner here is made with our own herbal paints. And here we have these fabric rolls, which are available for anybody to tailor clothes for themselves if they do not want to buy a garment. And these are examples of children wear, infant wear, baby wear, with their swaddles and towels and many more things. On top of this is shower towels. And below here we have some examples of spa products, bed sheets, bed covers and other things. This here is a variety of stoles in different fabrics with different kinds of applications like batik, tie-dye, printing, eco-printing. Below there are some bags as an example. We've done a lot of printing on jute as well. And this now is a very special section, because here we display the latest dye technology that we have developed for different kinds of application. So for home we have a different application, for industry we have a different application. And down there are some beautiful gift portlies and gift kits. Right here we have just our fabrics which we keep taking out and doing our experiments with. This section here is a variety of fabric on a longer length, so that people can choose. And these are variety of stoles for designers to choose what kind of stole fabric would they like to work on. This section is dye kits which are available on our website, and anybody who wants to try their hands at herbal dye as a hobby or get introduced can actually buy a kit. This section is also about men's wear. We have a few collection here, and this is all the colors of t-shirts that we can make. This section is our workshop kit section, where we have different kinds of products which we send when we do a workshop with people. And this is the last part, which is about how would you look if you wear a herbal dyed clothing.